Have you ever wondered what keeps your data safe while you browse, shop, or bank online? How do companies protect their sensitive information from prying eyes and hackers? There's a powerful technology behind the scenes that makes all this possible. It's like a secret fortress in the cloud, guarding everything inside. This fortress is called Amazon VPC. You might have heard of it, but what does it really do? Amazon VPC, or Virtual Private Cloud, is like having your own private secure space on the internet just for your cloud resources. Think of it as your personal gated community in the cloud, where your apps, data, and services live. You get to control who gets in and who stays out, keeping everything safe and sound. Setting up such a secure and isolated environment could be a headache, but Amazon VPC makes it easy. You can customize your own private network with specific settings like IP addresses, subnets, and security controls. It's like building a digital fortress with layers of protection, ensuring that your data stays exactly where it belongs, safe and private. With VPC, you control how information flows in and out, providing a secure and smooth-running environment for your cloud resources. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of Amazon VPC. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more insights into AWS services.